I just love to innovate. I enjoy building something new. I enjoy creating new things to build products to help people. Building something in a computer piece by piece with Siemens software that didn't exist before. It's quite exhilarating. The primary motivation for our family as engineers is we will only design products either for safety, to protect lives, or to improve the quality of life. And sometimes we're building products that protect the lives of children. My father was approached by Coolguard to improve the design of their product, which lets any parent know if anything larger than a soccer ball falls in the pool. He thought to himself, if this product were responsible for protecting my children, how would I design this product? Right now, I'm responsible for overseeing the quality control as well as running the machinery to assemble the product. And I build a little chip that goes inside that's responsible for the radio transmission that allows the product to talk to the alarm inside the home. It detects the waves in the water, and the alarm will be triggered inside, letting the parents know that something happened in the pool and that they need to go check it. Designers and engineers are only as good as their tools. Siemens software is incredibly powerful. Solid Edge allows the antenna dimensions to be so accurate that right out of the manufacturing, they will work perfectly as they're designed. The compatibility between pads, professional, and Solid Edge makes the design process a lot easier, and that flow allows it to happen at a faster pace and allows us to focus on the problem rather than trying to figure out how to make the software do what we want. We hear stories from customers who tell us, "My child is alive today because your product worked."